Want to fix Epic Online Services install failed error code EOS-ERR-1603? This video will show you the simple tricks to get your games running. Let's dive in. First things first, error EOS-ERR-1603 is a common Windows installer error that usually indicates conflicting software, insufficient permissions, or corrupted installer files. Now, the most crucial fix is to run the Epic Online Services installer as an administrator. Navigate to your game's installation folder. Look for a subfolder named Epic Online Services, or EOS. Find eossetup.exe or Easy Anti-Cheat Setup.exe and right-click it. Then select Run as Administrator. Next, disable your antivirus and firewall temporarily. Your security software might be mistakenly blocking the installation. After disabling, try running the setup again. If it works, add exceptions for the game and Epic Online Services. You'll also want to ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Missing system updates or outdated Visual C++ redistributables can cause installation failures. Download and install the latest Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft's website. Try deleting any partial Epic Online Services installation files. Go to %program files x86% /Epic Games /Epic Online Services and delete any remnants if present. Finally, re-download the game that uses Epic Online Services. This will ensure you get a fresh, uncorrupted EOS installer. Perform a clean reinstall of the game. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more PC gaming tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.